Okay. Hello everyone. So tonight, we only have like 3 more days to the final to the deadline, and you won't be to submit anymore. So I know everyone is logged in and try to finish as soon as possible. It does seem like that because so let's so today we have Sodi from Ludo City,
Ludo
and he's
City.
like yes, and he's like joining us as hacker in our hackathon. Sodi, can you introduce us a little bit about yourself and how
Hi.
your game works?
So I actually built the world's first Web3 based Ludo game, and it's based on quite few things like it has a token and NFT economy inside of it. Previously, I've built several crypto projects. I've been working in the field since 2017. I've built first image coin, which was storing images on the blockchain. After that, I built Inji coin and Melanet protocols that was exchanging commodities on the blockchain. Then my biggest project was Women Rise, but I built Ludo cities because in 2021 I launched a Ludo game. It was Web 2, and I got a lot of users out of it. Around 10,000 users in 10 days, and it was really good. But the issue was that most of the Web2 platforms did not allow us to exchange the currencies and do money transfers over at the Play Store, and we had to shut it down. But Web3 gives us a lot of options and opportunities, and things have relaxed a lot. So I actually started working on Ludo back in 2024, and we launched this. We created this game. I've been working on it from 1.5 years.
Thank you. Can you share your screen and talk us about Ludo City and maybe play some test game?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, so I have two monitors. Let me try with entire screen and screen two. There we go. Okay, so the second reason that we worked on Ludo Cities is because of the already present games in like Ludo King and Yala Ludo. They are doing really well. They generate around like Ludo King generated 20 million in 2020, and Yala Ludo generated 120 million. Even if we can disturb 1% of this user base, it's going to be huge for our game. Okay, so let me start the demo of the game. We have several things going on in our game and several repositories, but our main repository is Collab Ludo, where we have the client. Okay, so we did not build our client in Unity because at the time Unity, I thought I had actually built several like 4 or 5 games, Ludo-based games in the Unity, but I wanted to go deeper and make it really good, like native performance. So we selected C Sharp Mayo for the coding language. It's uh, faster than React Native, but slower than Flutter. It's C Sharp native code that transcompile to web, Android, iOS, and Windows and Linux to all the platforms. So that's the advantage. And because of that, our all code base, like the server, the website, the admin panel, and the game itself, it's everything is on C sharp. So anyone who has coding skills in certain language can easily pick it up. Okay, so
Can you share more about like the also the integration with like Civic? Are
yeah,
you trying to
I'm going
contribute
there.
to them or
Okay,
how is
so
that working for you?
there is one more thing like most of the Web 2 and Web 3 platforms have an issue like if a Web 2 player is coming to a Web 3 platform, he will have to like enter seed phrase and learn about Web3 and stuff. But what we did was we actually let me start the okay, there we go. Okay, here is our game,
Is that
and
on mobile screen?
oh no, it's on Windows platform. As I said, it runs like on everything, and it runs natively. It runs on Android, on iOS, on
Oh, okay.
Windows, and even on web. I will have to do a little bit work because, but it will run. Okay, so the issue was that this is C Sharp.NET Mayo. So I had the issue with the APIs that you guys provided, like the Unity ones. But I did some digging and found the code, and like for honeycomb and but I wasn't able to convert honeycomb completely. I did C sharp conversions for it, JavaScript, and the second one totally forgot the name, Civic, that allows Google authentication and Solana connectivity. So like here we I use that. Uh, okay, so the main issue that I was targeting to eliminate was that Web 2 players and Web 3 players, bridging that difference. What our application does is we take care of the wallet integration at the backend on our server, away from the players. And that allows us one magic thing like this. We can use local payment gateways, Jazzcash, EasyPaisa, and if we are in India, Paytm, to actually deposit the currencies. Like if this is the mobile number of the user, and he can actually he will be able to deposit from that, and whatever amount of money he pays in here is going to be converted into Ludo C coin. So that's the thing we were trying to target. Apart from that, the game has other things like the user can chat with the admin of the city owner. He can check the all history of the game. He can withdraw. He can deposit. He can do transaction. All these things he can actually do the from the application as well. If we go, there is a lot going on in here as well. So he can actually withdraw from here, deposit. Right now, I have to build the transaction page as well, where we can see the all transactions, and he can like check the leaderboard here. He can actually chat with the friends. We can do that live right now. If I open the application on my mobile, I might be able to reply. Mm, yeah, like this. So I'm replying to that player from my mobile application. So what happens is if once you play with a certain friend, a player online, you get online with him, you will start seeing that user here, and then you can like go there, block him, or add his friend. If you add him as a friend, he will start showing here, and if you block him, like this, then he will be vanished and he will be in separate list. So I've done all those things. I'm going to upgrade, add audio, video chats to it because that's really good for the platform. I've seen that work very well in Yala Ludo, where most of the Arab community goes online with video and audio chat, and Ludo is really addictive in such a way. Apart from that, we can also like use this. The users can check their history, like how many games they've played, how many games they've won, games lost, all the coin details, and they can actually get extra coins here, like this. Got deposited in my account. I can change the settings, log out, all those things. I think yeah, I think I've done completed with the features. Okay, so the main part for the game, how the interface looks like. So this is offline player where I've integrated an AI system who plays with the player as a computer, and local player, like players can play locally without any internet on the same machine. So they can generate two-player games, four-player games, stuff like that. But our main features are this tournament system where the NFT owner is going to start a tournament in that region. So if I am in the same region, like if I am in Vietnam and in certain city in the Vietnam, like right now I'm in Karachi, and if you were in Karachi and I am the NFT owner, I created a game, a tournament in this region, and I set the price like first prize, second prize, and third prize, and I set the entry fee to $100. And any player from Karachi tries to join a tournament, he comes here in the tournaments, he is going to see a local tournament running up with all those settings. And he can actually join it. Right now, there is no tournament running because I think yeah, all the dates expired. I have to just boot one more tournament up. But anyways, you get the idea. If you join the tournament, you pay the entry fee, and until you lose a game, you can rejoin it, and you rack up the score. And the one with the highest score, like right now, I ranked 31 here, is going to win the tournament. And what he's going to win is like this: the first, second, third prize from the previous game. So it's going to work like that. But the tournament system can run for 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, and 1 year. And depending on the length of the tournament, the price is going to be higher, and people are going to repay to rejoin. So that's the economy of the game for the tournament. Apart from that, any game played in the Ludo cities, the house takes 20%. 10% goes to the NFT treasury, the Ludo City treasury, and 10% goes to the NFT owner. So that's also incentivizing the NFT owners to buy in the NFTs and play the game, and also going to uh, take care of the expenditures to run the Ludo Cities game, because trust me, man, AWS servers are really expensive, and we need the backend server as well to take care of the anti-cheat system. Our game has three, four services running at the same time on the AWS to take care of the multiplayer communication and the game system. Right now, I haven't shown you the game. I haven't shown you the game, so let me show you the game itself. So it's the practice mode. Now it's waiting for the second player. So there is a glitch since I went online. I started seeing that it's not showing the waiting image. It's a little animation. Let me try to join from my mobile. Okay, there we go. So it's live now. Now I can play. I got two, one. Okay, I gotta get a six to get out. So the Ludo has some rules, but it's really famous, especially in the Asian community. Let's see. The goal of the game is to reach this place at the center, and you can only reach it here. And when you beat an enemy's token, then this place will be unlocked, and then you can enter. So it's really fun and has a lot of dynamics. And we can also chat here like this. Again, I'm going to add video and audio chat here like this. Let me exit the game. Uh, so the Saudi won because the Sadhu left the game. So it's just like this. You can create private rooms like this, and you can share this key with other players who can join using this key, like like this. The rooms are not running right now. Let me run one room from my mobile. Okay, there we go. There we go. So it's going to be entry fee and the prize pool. Like if you enter with one Solana, you can take out two Solana, or one Ludo City, you can take back two Ludo City. Because that's what I set in the settings page here. And we can also play with the friends. We can create here. We can join and enter the room ID over here. And this is the offline mode where you can play with computer and like other players. And this is a tournament system. This is a practice system. So like that's about it. I built the game more like an application with interfaces and the menus and stuff. But the core of the system is to support the backend system, like all this connected together. So like it's going great with that. Let me show you the server. So this is the backend server that takes care of the all communication and the wallet system. Sorry, yeah, this one. And this is our game, and it has many things going on over here. I plan to upgrade the game at the end with more games like Ludo Cities. Ludo game usually has one more game called Snack and Ladder.
Oh, you're using Visual Studio? I got you using Unity or Godot or
Oh, I told you that I'm not using Visual Unity because um, I built this in C Sharp .NET Mayo. That's really fast, and the performance was really necessary for my game. So that's why I built it in that. But that's not a big thing because Visual Studio C Sharp is the same thing as Unity. The code behind the code that Unity uses is the same language as the one I'm using. So I basically took out the game engine and I started using the language itself because to be honest, there is not much animation going on in the game. Only you have to move the tokens and spin the dice. So why do I need to put 10 MB, 15, 20 MB extra of the Unity engine inside my application? Right now, my application is only 17 MB. That it downloads that fast. So and because of that, my mattresses on Play Store are really good. I'm getting downloads. I actually got around 100 downloads in last 20 days. So once I start marketing, is going to be really good for the game because the size is really small. It really matters when you go to publish the game. Your game size should be really small. I'm going to aim it to bring it down to 14 or 13 MB. So that's the goal.
okay, I see, I see.
So to sum it up, I try to bridge the gap between Web 2 players and Web 3 players by bringing the local payment gateways, and I bypass the Unity system and use C Sharp language everywhere, even for my website to make games performance really well. Even my website is in Blazor. I'm not that good a web developer, but I tried. I'm going to improve the admin panel and stuff. Going to add stuff to it. Right now, it's really janky. Not like on the dashboard, it's not showing the matrices. I'm going to put some graphs and stuff here. But most of the things, other things that are needed are working. I'm going to keep working on it. Been working on it from 1.5 years, so it's really important to me. So yeah, that's Ludocity.
Yeah, I think everything look good. Uh, do you want to like have a demo gameplay or like
Yeah, I'm
just
going to add more gameplay to it. Like there is one more game we can add. Ludo basically isn't just a board game. When you start playing it, it's really fun. Like when you have four players going at each other at the same room, like killing each other off, making strategy because it's more of a strategy game. Let me, if you take your all your four tokens out, then like this. Let me show you. So if it's here, you cannot beat it. If it's here, you can beat it. But if two tokens are on the same box of the red color, you cannot beat it and you cannot cross it. So there's a lot of stuff going on in Ludo, and you can only enter your home after you beat the enemy. And a lot of players play it. Like it's the user base of the Ludo is, you can see here, 1.3 billion total downloads in 2024. So a lot of people enjoy this game and know the rules. Apart from that, there is one more game that complements Ludo that I'm working on. It's this one. This one.
hmm,
It's really fun as well. Like you have to move from 1 to 100, and there are a lot of obstacles in the middle. Like if you get bit by the snake, you have to end up from 88 to 24. If you get on a 4, you end up on 14. And if there's a enemy player on 13 and you land on him, he's going to go home at 1. So a lot of variations and stuff there. And the game is really fast paced for multiplayer games. Like I've seen other games, but most of the games on blockchain are really janky and no rules, and not many people know about those games. So that's why I built the Ludo, because I know that at least 1 billion population of the world knows how to play Ludo, and most of them must know about crypto. And if we bring those two things together, it's going to be awesome for them.
hmm, I see, I see. Do we have any question on Ludo? So is this game like family friendly? Like we can play with family
Yeah,
and friends?
yeah, most of the people like this game is, if you go to cities like countries like Pakistan, India, and even in Dubai and Saudi Arabia, we usually have a game board at home that when family gathers, we play. It's more like a chess, light version of chess, but it's more fun because instead of two players, there are four players, and a lot of shouting is going on, and the fun is there. It's the easier version. So like Uno, we play Uno, and the Ludo is the first game that we play, and almost everyone knows about it.
Hmm. Thank you. Is there anything you want to add? Or okay.
Um,
So can you do you have like a live version to share with everyone to test it out?
yeah,
Or
I already shared it. It's on the Play Store.
okay, can you
Um,
share it and
yeah. Let me share. Here's my game live at Play Store. Slide.
Okay, can you
Let
share
me
to me
share
on
the link.
Discord or
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
I'll do that right now. So download right now because the first 1,000 players are going to get 10,000 tokens, Ludo tokens for free. Set that. I'm going to set the share option as well, where any share you make will net you another 10,000 Ludo tokens. So all those things are going on. So
Okay,
it's
okay.
still going.
Yeah, yeah, I shared with everyone. So okay, that was good. Thank you, Sodi, and I think I hope you won. And what is your plan from now until the deadline? So what is like the
Okay,
stuff you are
so
building from now until deadline?
so there are two things. Actually, I have one more game idea related to SCP Foundation, but I'm not going to work on that right now. My focus is solely on Ludo because I've invested a lot of time in this game and I really love this game. So
Uh, wha-
what my focus is going to be, I'm going to improve some of the issues in the game, like the image loading issues, where that's really bad when you look at a quality product. Those kind of errors shouldn't be there. I'm going to improve the communication between the game and the server. Like I'm going to add audio chat and video chat to it, so it's going to bring more of a social aspect to the game itself, and I'm going to add the second game to it, the Snake and Ladder version. That's going to be really good for the platform, going to bring more users in. And the most important one that I'm really hyped about, because once I started posting in the PGS or PSG one, I learned how to do the marketing. With that's the most difficult part for me. In my previous projects, I've mostly worked with the teams who were taking care of the marketing and everything else. But this time I was alone. I built this, and so I was thinking I bring some marketing guys and other people on into the project, but I'm going to do that myself and bring them on. Maybe I will learn something. So that's the only skill set I was missing and crying
Mhm.
about, but I think I should just go for it.
Yeah, awesome. So for the another game idea, like do you have like a progress or GED? If you have anything, you still can submit it, and and then I will try to get the judge feedback and anything like
Yeah,
that.
so I have one game idea I've been working on. Let me just
Yeah,
show you
show
right
it,
now.
show it, show it.
Okay, so because I did not know about PGS1 and that platform is a handheld device, but once I saw it, my head started screaming that this game is going to be hit for that device.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
I think Galaxy Defender. Oh yes, this one. It's really addictive. I usually play that game. Sadly, it's not installed on my system right now, but you get the idea. Like there is a guy here who has
Mm,
upgrades like laser cannon, the these guys, and there are enemies from the sky, and there's a shield, and he can get certain upgrades,
I think you
and
can
like
submit
this
this one too. It look good. I think you can submit
but
this one if you want to focus on the city
Ludo. I'm
games.
going to
Yeah.
work on Ludo Cities full time, but this game can really work its charm in PGS1 platforms. That's really like, I think that's going to be my next project. Maybe I will build a good team for it. If
Mm.
like I can submit just an idea and it gets approved, maybe I can assemble a team and work on that
Yeah.
separately. But my main focus is obviously Ludo Cities. I've worked a lot in it, but this game can really be fun on a handheld device. So that's what I was thinking about.
Yeah, I think you should do that. Just submit, and then if anyone interested in Discord or like anything, and is that good like for people to know about what you're doing, and
Yeah.
like I think you can
One
submit
more
that one. It
thing.
looks good.
One more thing. So I was thinking that I haven't seen PGS One myself. Is it a touch device or just a handheld controller like Android does the gamepad stuff? So is it a touch device or it has only the keypad?
I don't know because I don't have it, but like I think it's different from Android. It's like a different like a gaming machine.
Hmm.
So just follow the documentation on how to work on it, I guess.
That's fine, but I was thinking about the screen. Is it touchable or not? So that's the only problem I
Oh
got.
yeah, that's a good question.
Yeah.
Maybe you can ask that question on the Play Solana. I will ping the mentor or the
Yeah.
people from Play
Okay.
Solana. Yeah, yeah, that's a good question. Like, yeah, I don't know if it actually just like a Game Boy or like it actually
Yeah,
touch the
because
screen.
most of the people are building, most of the people are building games for the web platform or the XZ versions. They are not building Android versions. But
Mm-mm.
if you target for Android, you're obviously gonna need the screen with the gamepad because I studied the APIs and this stuff. So they said that these APIs, the mapping of the buttons to the controller and the system game itself is just like any other controller that you can buy on the market. So what I was going to do was purchase a game controller, attach it to my Android phone just to see how it feels and how the game
Okay.
is going to run.
Uh,
So that that's it.
Hello. I'm sorry, the connection is not so good.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is it better
So
now?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, definitely ask that question on the PSE one. I will ping the team of the PSE one. So I will like ask that. I think that's a good question. Yeah. Anything else you want to add, or like we can like end
Ah,
the
yeah,
stream here?
I'm good. The game is still running.
Okay. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining in. So sorry we run out of the fun for the reward in the end. So thank you, Saudi, and good luck to the Ludo City. And I hope you guys
Thank you.
get the prize, and continue to build. Yeah, so that's why. And I will, if you need anything from Play Solana, just let me know. I will, push them to like help you and in my power. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Saudi. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, let's go.
Thank you for the
25
platform,
is the
buddy.
end. Yes, 25 is the end. So very excited to see like everyone product and final submission. Okay,
Awesome.
bye. Bye, bye,
Bye.
bye.
Take care.